Hello guys, welcome to Clarity for Sure. Today's topic of discussion is types of pruning in horticultural crops. Pruning is an important operation in horticulture. It is the art and science of removing plant parts to stimulate optimum growth and development of the plant. This is basically done to divert the energy from one part of the plant to another. So then, what are the objectives of pruning? There are three basic objectives of pruning. First is to maintain the growth and development of the plant. Second is to maintain the balance between vegetative and reproductive growth of the plant, that is to maintain the quality of produce obtained from the plant. And the third objective is removal of dead, diseased, and affected plant parts to maintain vigor of the plant. Usually the terms training and pruning are used synonymously. However, both the terms are different. Pruning on one hand is done to maintain plant vigor and health, aiming to increase production and quality of harvest. It is usually an annual practice. On the other hand, training is basically used to provide a particular shape and framework to the tree. It is done in the initial years of growth. The framework thus formed after training is maintained using pruning in the later years of the life of the plant. Now let's see about the types of pruning. Pruning can be classified into three major types: thinning out, heading back, and bulk pruning. Thinning out is the form of pruning wherein excess and unproductive plant parts are removed. For example, thinning of fruits in trees like mango, apple, etc. to produce high-quality harvests. Blossom and fruit thinning is carried out either manually or by plant growth regulators like NAA. Heading back is a light form of pruning where only the terminal portion of the shoots are cut off, leaving the basal portion intact. Another form of pruning is the bulk pruning, which is a heavy form of pruning. Accordingly, some special forms of pruning are practiced depending on the purpose of pruning. The first is the root pruning, wherein fibrous roots are removed away from the base of the plant. It is done during the bahar treatment in guava and pomegranate. It is also done in bonsai to limit the growth of the plant. Leaf pruning can be commonly seen in coconut and date palm to maintain optimum plant health. And another form is your dehorning, which is the removal of primary overcrowding branches or limbs to reduce the vegetative growth and to induce flowering. Three common practices in floricultural crops are disc shooting, disbudding, and pinching. The primary aim of these operations are to produce best quality flowers, while in spray chrysanthemum, disbudding and pinching is done to promote lateral shoots and production of more number of flowers per shoot. In standard chrysanthemum and rose, disbudding and disc shooting is done to help divert all the energy to the terminal flower bud. Again, three common pruning practices followed in forestries or silvicultural systems are coppicing, pollarding, and lopping. The major difference between coppicing and pollarding is the length at which the main trunk is cut. In coppicing, the main trunk is cut very close to the ground, whereas in pollarding, the main trunk is cut more than 1 to 2 meters above the ground level. On the other hand, looping is the removal of 1-year-old shoots from the entire crown. Looping is mainly done to generate fodder for livestock. That's all for today. We'll meet again with a new concept very soon. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Thank you.